Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to give a tutorial for a new decentralized application under KiloP project. I think some of you already know, I have been in the development team and I am the founder of KiloP project, and we have been building many decentralized applications, and today, proudly, I will give a tutorial for a new one, and this new one is a very innovative new product. So let's start. So we have introduced proof of development concept around 3 or 4 months ago, and 3 or 4 months ago we have activated the exchange listing protocol. It is live now and it is being used by some of our users, thankfully. So marketing protocol and application development protocol were not active, and right now marketing protocol is still not active. It is under development. But today I am introducing application development protocol. Now it is live. And in this video we will try to learn how it works and how we can involve, and what is the benefit for the users and what is the benefit for the project itself. So I have logged into kilopi.net and I have clicked proof of development and I came to this web page. As you can see, the address is kilopi.net/pod. So this is the live version. Right now we have only one application in this screen, but to give the tutorial we need to have many applications to see them together in the page. So I have created a clone on my computer, and this one is working on testnet of Binance chain. So when I come to application protocol, as you can see, there are many applications under development in this page. So we will try to learn by checking this page. So when we do not have MetaMask, or when we have not logged in with MetaMask, we see the page as this. As you can see, there is this connect to MetaMask. When we click this, the staking mechanism will appear. But as for now, let's try to understand what is this application all about. So this application development protocol is actually providing a decentralized infrastructure for developers to make them develop their Web3 applications in a simple way, and if they commit to bring value somehow to KiloP project, they can put their applications in this platform and they can benefit from the staking rewards automatically. So if you are a developer, if you want to develop a Web3 product, and if you do not know where to start, if you cannot reach to grants, but if you think you can do something at home by yourself or with a small team, you can create your application in a very basic way and you can continue developing it. And while developing it, you will benefit with LOP tokens by using this system, and you will bring value to LOP tokens again. That is this main mentality of this application. So there are 4 phases, as you can see, when you start to develop a product, a Web3 application or another thing. So you are in the theory phase. You need to create new project. You need to give a name, short description, white paper link, email, and logo. By providing these information, you can create your application. But once you create the application, you need to have 10,000 LOP tokens on Binance chain. And if you need assistance, you can send an email to us by using info@kilopi.net. We will help with the progress. Once you apply, there will be a console who is checking your application and approve it. If it gets approved, you will be able to see your application in the theory phase. If it gets not approved, if it gets rejected, so you will receive an email. You will have the instructions to fix whatever you need. Then you can have your application in the theory phase. So we will be in the positive side. We will try to help you at every point. So once your application comes here, you will have 1 vote. So every vote is very important. Now your task is to provide a website link. Right now, as you can see, you provided some information: name, email, description, white paper link, and the phases theory, current phase, and you have one word count. So if you develop this application, if you have created this application, once you log in with your MetaMask, you will be able to see an input and a link to put your website in your application. If you put your website in your application, you will make your application to go in another approval phase. So once the console approves your website, your application will move from theory phase to development phase. And if your application moves, you will get 1000 extra votes. So that is the mentality of the phases. So in the development phase, you have a website link, as you can see in here. So in the development phase, if you have finalized the development of your product, you need to provide a tutorial link. Once you provide the tutorial link, and if the console approves that tutorial link, your application will move from development to live phase, and you will get 1000 more votes. So if you can provide a performance metric link, then your application will move from live to prestige phase, and you will get 1000 more votes. So why there is a voting system? So every time a person claim rewards from their stakes, you will get a fee from those stakes according to your vote count. So the vote count is very important. You can increase your vote count by switching your application between phases, and also users are able to vote to your applications in this interface. But to get voting power, users need to stake tokens. So we will switch to the staking mechanism right now. So if you're a user or if you're a developer, it doesn't matter. If you have LOP tokens on Binance chain, you can stake your tokens in here. So once you stake your tokens, you will see your staked tokens in here. So every month you will receive rewards. And once you claim your rewards will move to your wallet address. At the same time, you will get voting power according to your rewards amount. And at the same time, while you claim rewards, a small percentage of fee from your rewards will be distributed to the application developers according to their votes. So everything is ongoing at this link, claim rewards. So every time you claim rewards, your 1 month deadline will start again. So every month you can claim your rewards. You need to wait 1 more month. So if you stake more tokens, your claim rewards time will be refreshed. You will need to wait 1 more month. Every time you unstake tokens, again, it's going to be refreshed. Every time you claim rewards, it's going to be refreshed. So you can have a practice on the system and you can learn the details with small amount of LOP tokens. If you like the system, you can continue to support. So the main mentality in here, now we will have many face-to-face meetings with the developers. And if they want to develop some Web3 applications, we will forward them to this application and we will help them to create their applications in here, and we will follow them. And while they're developing their Web3 applications, we will help them in the development progress as well. So this is win-win-win for everyone. So the project's token will receive value. So the developers will learn how to develop better the requirements and needs. At the same time, they will get benefits from the staking rewards, and the users will be able to stake tokens and will get benefit from the staking rewards. And and they will be able to follow everything what's going on here. So what about the staking rewards percentages? So in the first year, the staking rewards is 1%. In the second year, 2%. And in the third year, and so on, 3%. And for this 1 to 3%, 60% of this 1% is going to the user who staked, 40% is being distributed to the developers. So you need to practice a little bit and then you will understand. But the basic idea in staking rewards is what you see in here as rewards as a user, you will get that number. So it is the 60% of 1%. So everything will be clear if you practice the system a little bit. So right now, this is the test one. As I told you, this is the real one. In the real one, since the application is very new, we have inserted one of our application which is under development. We will continue working on this and we will have meetings. We will forward the developers in here. So we hope that there will be many applications under development and they will bring value to LOP tokens. So what is next? The next one is the marketing protocol. So exchange listing protocol is active with a same mentality. Application development protocol is now active with same mentality, and marketing protocol will be active very soon with the same mentality. So everyone who involves the KiloP project will be able to follow what's going on in the application development side, what's going on in the marketing side, what's going on in the exchange listing side. So there are three most important things for token projects, as you know. And also anyone who wants can contribute in many ways in the development progress of KiloP project. You can come to exchange listing protocol, you can give some amounts of USDT and you can get it back with 10% increasement. So you can come here, you can develop projects, you can learn about Web3 development, you can get benefits, you can stake tokens, you can bring value, and you can follow everything, and it's going to be the same in the marketing protocol very soon. So please do not forget, nothing is financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. This is only a tutorial. Please be very careful in the crypto industry. Whatever you do, please test with very small amounts of tokens first. Then if you're convinced, you can continue working on that application. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.